You guys, ever since I discovered how to do crochet like this, I don't think I can ever go back. Because explain to me how I did all this within 1 hour. But let me show you how to do it too and tell you what to use. Of course, I made use of extension from YGWIGS. They sell quality extensions and we're going to be making use of the feather body wave human hair crochet for this style. Yes, we're making use of crochet and I made use of 5 packs. I know by now you'd like to grab this. Link is in my description box below. So hi favorites, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Favor Ike. I'm a hair, fashion and lifestyle creator. Do subscribe to the channel to be updated when I upload new videos. I believe most of you must have come across this style on your FYP, maybe on Instagram or TikTok. I'm going to be showing you another method to use in making it. This style is called miracle knot. When I say ever since I started using this style, this method, I'm not going back anytime soon because it saves me hours of trying to do mini braids and crocheting it. Now, in as much as this is a simple hairstyle, anyone can do it. If care is not taken, you're going to spend so much time trying to crochet if you make mini braids on the entire head. But then with this method, I really don't have that time and I go straight to the point and it comes out nice every single time. I do hope you're observing what I'm doing, but then let me explain. The first one you're going to crochet, you're going to make use of your hair as the third strand to braid it down. After doing that, crochet about 2 to 3 depending on how full you want it to be, and also you need to be conscious about the extension because for this one we have to do 2 per braids. But then if I'm making use of a curly hair, I can make it 3 on the body, then the one I used in braiding at the bottom, everything in one braid is going to be 4 in number. I do hope you understand what I'm saying. But for this one, 5 packs were enough, but then it was not too full, so we had to make it 2 on the body and then the one we braided with 1, making it 3 on each braid. So if you want to go the extra mile to make it more versatile, you can do the individual braids at the back and the sides just like I did. It's my first time using the round method, but then I wanted to be able to pack the hair up and this worked so well. This hair is so painless, so go to a salon to get the cornrow part done, then you can do the other part yourself or they can help you as well. Now for the fun part that I really love because it's very quick is the regular one we know, which is crocheting the extension to the cornrow at the back. Now at this point you can start from the top to make sure the top is fuller than the inner part, if you're running low on extensions. This part takes less than 30 minutes or 30 minutes to do because it's very quick and you're doing only a single knot. So favorites, if you've seen the video till this point, what do you think of this hairstyle? For me, I'm in love with the curls. The wavy texture is everything, and even when I took down this hair, it still felt soft. You can make use of this for months. You can reuse it, of course, to do different styles. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this style. You must not make use of a wavy feather crochet. You can also make use of curly ones to make this style. Just follow the same pattern, make use of the cornrow pattern I made use of, and everything is going to go perfectly well. Now this is me showing you how I style my feather crochet. If you also want to see more and more styles, check out my Instagram. I'm going to leave the name on the screen. There I post tutorials as well, how to style your crochet hairstyles and how to style any hairstyle at all. So do follow me over there, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.